Okay, hi everyone. So what we're going to do today, we're going to show ko lang sa inyo how to register your books of accounts sa Orus, okay? So, for example, dito kayo pupunta sa secondary registration. Okay, when you got your COR, halimbawa nakalimutan yung dalhin yung apat na books of accounts nyo, cash receipts, cash disbursements, general journal, at saka general ledger. So, what you're going to do, kasi ang protocol noon, dapat matatakan nila yun yung apat na libro mo. Kung hindi nila natatakan yun, at maaring nung gusto mo patatakan, sabihin nila sa'yo na, sa Orus ka nilang mag-register. Kasi meron naman na Orus. So, wala kang magagawa, hindi mo pwedeng i-insist sa kanila. No? Siguro pagod. So, what you're going to do, punta ka sa Orus, punta ka sa secondary registration, books of accounts, and then, ayan, books of accounts, tapos, all corporation, uh, companies, partnerships, or persons required by law to pay inter-revenue taxes shall keep a journal and a ledger or their equivalent such as subsidiary ledger, simplified books of accounts. So, for more information, click here. Pero bakit hindi siya nag-work, no? Dati nag-work yun eh. So, kaya click here. Oh! So, these are the instances na hindi nag-work yung books of accounts. Pero before kasi nakapag-register ako eh. So, may lalabas dito. So, tingnan natin, X. Secondary registration, ulitin natin. Oh! Kasi yun lang naman yun. Tingnan nga natin to isa. Okay. Hindi eh, yung authority to print. So, minsan may mga glitches. O, kapag may ito yung na-discuss ko sa isang video. So, may mga glitches. Pag ganon, can go back to BIR and tell them na hindi na ma-register eh. Pero before kasi I did. I click on books of accounts. Susok sana kayo i-walk through. Pero wala siya. So, this is a real life scenario na hindi siya nag-work. So, best talaga, pag pumunta ka sa BIR at kukunin ng COR, dali mo na yung apat mong libro. Okay? So, I hope this helps. At mapakita ko sa inyo, this is an actual account. As you can see, yung new registration naka-gray kasi I log into my account. Okay? So, hindi siya nag-work. I don't know, may glitches. So, you have to go to BIR. Alright? Thank you.